evaluate. You are going to evaluate the morale of an employee in the terms of qualitative parameters to quantitative parameters. Okay, and that can be found any kind of relationships between the two different set of things. It is possible, and once you will come up with sir, and then in turn, sir will be forwarding to all of you. Okay, so that whenever you are free, you can just browse and you can make use of the opportunity. Okay, so here there are lot of e-resources. See, nowadays the problem is that we are only bound to the searching with the content in the internet, right? Before the any kind of research, it used to be start with the library, and people used to go and follow, or they used to search many of the content, right? They need to search the many of the content, and then they need to work on the report work. But nowadays people are working on the internet, so they will try to get, or they will try to collect lot of data, or they will try to get it the input only within the ready-made kind of data which is readily available, and there only they will try to dig something more and more. Okay, so quite obviously this internet is kind of complementing to the libraries, but but internet can never, but any internet cannot replace your libraries. Okay, always the best resources for your any kind of things is the library. Okay, so whenever you found any kind of data which is you are not able to get, I think librarian will be the one of the right person who can guide you to get the any kind of resources, especially for your research or project work. Okay, so why people have started using more of e-resources is due to certain reason. Like one is it is up to date resource, and this e-resources why the most of the time people uses is because of the copy paste facility, because of the copy paste facility. Okay, because anything which is there in the soft copy, people will try to paste it, right? Okay, then these are the some of the information search tools which you have.
Madam, madam.
I think he or she will be the right person to give you a lot and lot of info. Okay, full text database. If you are looking for where you should get ebooks or you should look for
or you can go for the science direct. Okay, along with that you have got JGate Plus, you have got Web of Science, IEEE Express, Mediline, or PubMed. Okay, all are excellent for the citation purpose, which is most of the researchers they use for their research work. Along with that, you have got search engine as Google Scholar, and some of the institutes they have even some kind of membership in with the some kind of e-materials kind of things where you can get some e-prints at all. Okay, that is from the University of Mysore. Basically, base you have NDLTD, you have Shodh Ganga, you have. Okay, in Shodh Ganga, what is available is all about the thesis only. It's all about the thesis only is available. Thesis means which the people may have done their PhD work and all. And for getting the any kind of statistical data and all, you have indiastat.com, you have indiastat.com, and if you are looking for patent information and all, you have USPTO. Okay, and along with that you can see on my screen also, like you can just type Mysore University, or you can type library, Mysore University library. It will take you to the particular browser, and sometime even though if you don't have login ID credentials and all, you can select your area and you will be able to select the any kind of content from there. Okay, in and again most of the this one colleges or universities, they have got lot of Springer ebooks. They have got lot of Springer ebooks. Okay, so on an average you can find it is more than 29,513 totally free access, totally free open access kind of informations are provided to the people. Okay, and you have even some certain ebooks which is under the Taylor and Francis. Like here they have got, you can see the number of titles under the different specializations, and the number is approximately 7,427. Okay, and if you are looking for any kind of thesis work, so you can go to the show Sindhu, and you will get the whole project report itself. Okay, so first they may have written about the university, and under each university how many institutes are there and how many journals they have. All these things you will be able to find out over here. Then followed by you have something e-shows in the resources. This is what the numerical data which is available. Like you have got CUP, you have got ACS, you have got GESTOR, you have got AIP, you have got AIP. Okay. Then you have even some kind of project work. You have got Springer publications. You have got Emerald. You have got this one Emerald as well. Okay, just a second. Okay, so okay. Hmm. And followed by Science Direct. You can even go to the Science Direct where you have got more than 1036 journals. Okay, you have got more than 1036 journals, and you have database from Math Science Net. You have from Web of Science, iScholar, and you have from you have from Journal Store also. JSTOR we call it as, where it is more than 3071 journals we have. Then you have JGate Plus. Okay, that is also you will get it free access from the eShows window, and for that you can even create your accounts like either as a faculty or either as a student. It is totally free. You need not to make any payment, and these are the numbers of the journals and books free access which is available. Either you are looking from India or either you are looking from India and overseas. Okay, you have one best one, that is we call it as CS also. Okay, if students from the chemistry department, they generally use this, and if anybody who is trying to do the research in the any kind of general topic or related to the agriculture, economy development, inflation and all, they always go with the indiastat.com. They always go with the indiastat.com, where you will get all the statistical database. Where you will get all the statistical database. You have EBSCO also, but here certain journals, some of the journals are free. It is a number is approximately 25%, and remaining 65 to 75% it is absolutely paid versions. Okay, so you can just check with your librarian. If you have got this, you will be able to download the papers easily. Okay, so and along with that, anything, some IEEE Explorer we have. Okay, ASCE library we have.